Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka sengsan perthai Bharatiya Janata Party kala dawa badai ban IT ye ka jingto kit sha ka Central Bureau of Investigation CBI khnang ban sei madan ye ka jingkno bakadon ka jersey bamsap ha ka bapantrai kam ya ka Saubhagya scheme hapo kani ka jilla Meghalaya habaya kren bat ka Batesi TV u President Jong ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit uba Ernest Mauri Uliatho ba ukrshan ye ka rai bala shim ka party ban dawa ye ka sarkar bakadai ban IT ye ka jingto kit ha ka CBI halor gani ka jingjia khnang ba kino ki breu ki badan kti ki dai ban yo ye ka jingsha pen shitom kat kum ki kendon jong ka ai.
First of all, I think we are the first from the political party who take up these issues. We have filed the RTI from our state office asking detailed implementation of this scheme and who is the beneficiary and how many villages they have covered with this Saubhagya scheme. So it's very sad to inform that we are, of course, we received the reply from the MECCL, but we are not satisfied with that because we are asking detail. They have to give us the information like UC, utilization, where they have erected the pool, where they have placed the transformer, how many village is covered with this scheme. Because this scheme is a very good scheme for our state. The aim of the NDA government under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, all the village they should have the electrification from this scheme. So, like I have stated before also, we have seen that a lot of irregularities taken place. When I used to travel to Turan via Nongstoin, I have seen with my own eyes in the yard stock a lot of transformer, electric pool and wires is lying for a month. So I wrote one letter to Power Minister in Center. Then they give me information. This project is a time-bound project. They have to complete in time. That's why we want to see that because we have heard it that they cancel the tender and again they recall the tender, which we have seen it in the newspaper. Someone has given the article. They cancel the tender and allot it within 3 days. So like there is a rate increasing. So which affect the MECL and even the government also, because they have given the specific amount to utilize and to complete the ongoing project of this scheme. So we find that something wrong. That's why we filed RTI, and we have received some RTI information which we are not satisfied. So now from the party side, again we are preparing the petition and submitted to MECL to give us detail utilization, where you have implemented the scheme, how many village you have covered, who is the beneficiary from this Saubhagya scheme. And if they don't give a proper reply, like I have stated before, we have to sue them in the court. So that everything will come, the truth will come. No? On the issue of removal of the Power Minister, I have nothing to say. I leave it on the wisdom of the CM. But one thing, regarding with this, they have constituted the inquiry committee. I think so, with the retired judge from the Allahabad High Court and some members. I don't know whether they are technocrat or they are a bureaucrat, I don't know. But the thing is that I stand with the party decision. We want CBI inquiry. You see why I stress again CBI inquiry? Because CBI, they have the manpower and they know about how to ask the like how you call the tenders, how you allot the tenders, to whom you have allotted the tenders, what is the rate. Like, you know, CBI, they can go deeply. And I think, I don't know whether you agree with me or not, in every scam, in any department, talk in the all India basis about this type of case, complicated case, always CBI is handling. I think if the CM, he want that this scandal, this scam, whatever to say, to come clean, I think there is no way out, only CBI. Because you see, let me go back again to the misutilization of fund in Jaintia Hills and Garo Hills also. They have set up this type of inquiry, like local audit, they told. Till today, I have not seen any report. So it just vanished like that. So when we raise up this corruption issue, it should come to the public domain now. What is going on? So I don't think that, I request the Honorable CM also, because we have given the suggestion that it should be proper investigate with independent inquiry, that is CBI.